Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a hook in golf. First, let's address your grip. A strong grip, where your left hand is turned too far to the right, often causes a hook. To correct this, rotate your left hand slightly to the left on the club. You should see fewer knuckles on your left hand. This adjustment helps square the club face at impact, reducing the likelihood of the ball hooking sharply left. Next, let's examine your ball position and stance. For irons, ensure the ball is centered or slightly forward. With woods, place the ball just inside your lead heel. A common mistake is a closed stance, where your feet are aimed to the right of the target. This encourages an inside-out swing path. Try to align your feet, hips, and shoulders parallel to your target line for a more neutral setup. Now, let's work on your swing path. A hook often results from an overly inside-out swing, causing the club face to close too much at impact. To fix this, focus on swinging more down your target line. Imagine you're trying to hit the ball towards a point slightly left of your actual target. This encourages a more neutral path, helping you deliver the club face squarely and prevent that sharp left curve. Finally, let's focus on club face control, which is crucial for eliminating a hook. The ball hooks because the club face is too closed relative to your swing path at impact. Avoid over-rotating your hands or wrists during the downswing. Strive for a neutral wrist position as you strike the ball, keeping the club face square to your target line. Consistent practice with this feeling will help you hit straighter, more controlled shots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.